Hi there. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Luis Hernandez, and this is Extreme Salvage. And yes, I know I have a lot of dishes. It's alright. Today I had an idea. What if we go to Copart and we'll buy the cheapest, ugliest car money could buy and drive it all the way to Las Vegas? Huh? What do you guys think? Will you be up for the challenge? I need 3 things from you. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will make this happen. And then at the end of the journey, I'll give the car away to one of you guys. So what do you gotta lose? So let's do this. Like, subscribe, share this channel. And that's all, man. That's all you gotta do. So make it happen. I'll see you guys 1,000 subscribers later. Hi, Shaggy. I gotta tell you something. You've been a good boy and all, but I just can't keep the secret away from you. I'm just gonna tell you. You are adopted. No. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. You know that's not true. No, for real, sir? For reals? You? Are adopted. No, for real. For real.